Hi guys, myself Hruday. Welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a wardrobe door alarm. So let's get started. So guys, I've used a piece of thermocol which helps us to mount the limit switch inside the cupboard. Guys, here is our wardrobe. When I open the right door, nothing happens. But the moment I open the left door, the buzzer starts beeping. So guys, as you can see, when the wardrobe door loses the contact with the switch, the buzzer starts beeping, and when it gains contact, the buzzer stops beeping. So this DIY idea will force the people to shut the wardrobe door after picking the cloth. The link for the mini buzzer and the limit switch are given in the description. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, then like, comment, share, and do subscribe to my channel for watching more videos. And until then, this is your buddy Hruday signing off.